Hello guys, so my best friend Megan picked me up. We're gonna go out and eat some sushi. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Hello guys, so we're here at, I don't know what street this is, but we're going to Mizu to have sushi and have some drink and get messed up, right?
Yep, that's the plan.
Yep. Hi guys, so we're inside Mizu and we are waiting. I think the wait list is about 20 to 25 minutes. So me and her is just looking through the menu to see what we want to order. So we got our table and apparently we're in the corner and she loves the area. Hey, I like the seat area. So we just got our food. We got 4 rolls and we're sharing all 4 of them. There is crazy dragon roll, butterfly roll, mango roll, and Philadelphia roll. Are you happy with the order?
Very happy.
And to finish that off, we got Kirin beer. Kirin beer. Hey everyone, so we are here at the, what is this place called? The T-Zone and, I don't know, something and something and something.
What T-Zone is?
Something T-Zone. We're here to get some dessert. We just got like some, oh, she was right. You were right. You were right. There was gonna be a game here. Yes. So we're just gonna chill here until we finish the game. Go Warriors! Go Warriors! Go Warriors! So we got our drinks. I ordered Manguava and she ordered Secret Garden. She said hers is fruity. She likes it, I think.
Oh, sorry.
You like yours?
I do. Cheers.
Cheers. Let me taste mine. I like mine. Cheers.
Cheers.
I like the fruit bit. Anyways, so the service here, first it was good. Then later when we got our order, the dude was so rude.
Yeah.
What's up guys? So we just left T-Zone and Fruit Bar. We just had our drinks and we're hella full. Now we're going to Megan's house and fix up a little bit before we go to Ritz. I think that's a bar, right?
Yes.
Yes, Ritz Bar. It just recently opened for a few weeks now.
A few months.
Few months, and we're gonna go check it out. So see you guys at the bar.
See ya.
Hello guys, so I'm here at Megan's house and we're kind of just fixing ourselves a little bit before we go to Ritz Bar. We're planning to take Uber to go to Ritz Bar because we might get a little bit drunk. Sorry, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So to be on the safe side, we're gonna have someone drive us there and drive us back home, so that we don't have to drive ourselves back home. You know, just safety precautions. So yeah, see you guys at the bar. So we just picked up our Uber driver. His name is Lance, and he drives a, what is this, Prius?
Yep.
Gangster Prius.
A gangster Prius. So
save the environment.
So we're now heading to Ritz to have some drinks. And yes.
And is he coming with?
Is he coming with us?
Oh, I gotta drive back.
I think he has to work. But
No, he's not.
next time.
This is Crazy Dragon Roll. What was this? Butterfly roll, mango roll, Philadelphia. Cheers! Yum. So we're here at a T-Zone place, and there's nobody here. Like, we get the TV all to ourselves. I got the man guava, and she got the secret garden. Doesn't it look delicious? Momo. Hi.
Hey.
Hi. Hi, Momo. Momo. Megan wants me to chug this, so I'm
Chug it.
What's your horse sound?
Don't go ahead.
What's your horse sound?
That's a weapon, though. That's an elephant.
What's your horse sound?